Hi guys, back again with me Cyberdude, and today I will share you how to connect the servo motor to Arduino and upload the code. Okay guys, so today we will use this servo motor, Tower Pro SG92R micro servo. So I'll explain this wire because we can't find the code here. We can find here. So this one, the orange one is signal or data, and then the red one is positive or 5 volt, and then the brown one is negative. Let's put it to Arduino. Okay guys, so let's put it. Okay, so this wire orange, let's put it to 9, and then the brown one is of course GND. Let's put here. Okay, GND, and then sorry. Okay, so this one is 5 volt. Okay, so we're done to the hardware, so let's move to software. Okay, first let's put this port and then let's open the Arduino IDE. Oh, sorry. Okay guys, so before you do this one, you must download the library of a servo motor. So after you download here, I will show you. I just finished download here. I'm sorry, I have no internet here today, so I just download yesterday. So guys, so here Arduino here, and then library. Okay, so I put here. Okay, robot control. So I have this one, robot control. So this is a library of a servo motor. Okay, so you just extract here to a library, just extract here, and then it will appear here at your IDE. Just open this one and then go to file, go to example, and then search for servo motor. Here we go. So here, okay, so this one, so open this one. Okay, so you can see here the code, as you see. So this is include the servo motor's library, of course, servo motor, parameter, servo motor. So and then this one, in pose equals 0, and then void setup. So let's try. Before you upload your code to Arduino, you must check your Arduino port here. Go to here, and then yes, this is already good. And then this one, you must select one. Then the port COM. Okay, COM 8. So for today I use COM 8. So we done. Then we check the code first. We check the code first. We okay, done. So it's I have no problem. So let's upload it. Okay, done uploading. So guys, you can see here. I will show you. Okay, so here we go. As you can see, it's up to you guys to edit your code here. I just show you the basic of the code. So guys, I think this end of my video. So thank you so much for watching. If you have a question, just comment below, and then if you have project, or maybe you want to ask me, just comment, just leave your comment. Please subscribe my channel, and then share my channel, and God bless us. Thank you so much, guys.